Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to can carrots without a pressure canner. While water bath canning is excellent for high-acid foods like pickles, carrots are naturally low in acid. This means you cannot safely can plain carrots using only a boiling water bath. We must add an acid to ensure the food is safe to store at room temperature and prevent harmful bacteria growth. To safely water bath can carrots, you must acidify them. This involves adding a specific amount of lemon juice or vinegar to each jar. It is crucial to follow a tested canning recipe precisely, as the correct acid level is vital. Guessing the amount of acid can lead to an unsafe product risking botulism, which is a very serious concern.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: enhance your kitchen experience while canning with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite tunes or setting timers hands-free. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Proper preparation is key for successful canning. First, wash and peel your carrots thoroughly. Then, cut them into uniform pieces, ideally about 1 inch thick to ensure even cooking. For best results and to help with packing, blanch the carrots briefly in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes before moving to the next step. This also helps remove air. Once prepared, pack the hot carrots into hot, sterilized canning jars. Fill each jar with boiling water or broth, ensuring you leave 1 inch of headspace from the rim. Remove any air bubbles, then wipe the rims clean and apply lids and bands. Finally, process the jars in a boiling water bath for the time specified in your tested recipe, usually around 30 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.